Hello friends, you welcome to my complete Java course. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn difference between string, string buffer and string builder class. Number one, immutability. As object of string class are immutable, string buffer and string builder class are mutable class. Number two, object creation. You have to use new operator to create object to string buffer and string builder classes. You cannot use string literal to create object to these classes. Number 3. Storage area. As object of string buffer and string builder are created using only new operator, they are stored in heap memory, whereas objects of string class are created using both string literals and new operator. They are stored in string constant pool as well as heap memory. Number 4. Thread safety. Any immutable object in Java is thread safety because they are unchangeable once they are created. Any type of thread cannot change the content of immutable object. String buffer objects are thread safety. All necessary methods in string buffer class are synchronized so that only one thread can enter into its object at any point of time, whereas string builder objects are not thread safety. Number 5. Performance. Because of thread safety property of string and string buffer class, they reduce the performance of multi-threading applications. Because multiple threads cannot enter into object of these classes simultaneously. But you will not find performance problems if you use string builder class because multiple threads can enter into objects of this class. String concatenation. There will be serious performance issue when you are performing lots of string concatenation using string class. This is because each time you perform string concatenation using string class, a new object will be created with the concatenated string. This slows down an application, but if you use either string buffer or string builder instead of string class, your application will perform better. Equals and hash code methods in string buffer and string builder classes. Equals and hash code methods are not overridden, whereas string class they are overridden. So friends, thank you for watching this video lecture and watch my next video lecture for learning new things in Java.